Hello fellow simmers, welcome to SimTracker2.0. In this video, I'll walk you through the full data migration workflow from an older SimTracker2.0 version to a newer one. Each individual step is covered in separate tutorials. This video is just a big picture overview of the entire process. Before we start, make sure your SimPE CSV tables from the Rufio folder are already opened in Excel and ready to use. Also make sure you've downloaded the table export options file from the exported tables prebeta version 6 folder. Finally, to confirm which SimTracker2.0 version you're currently using, go to Main menu, Settings, Maintenance. The version number is shown there. Open your old SimTracker2.0 version. Go to Data and Lists, Backup, Import and Export. To see which tables are recommended for export, check Table Export Options. Select the recommended tables and start the export process. Only these tables can be imported to version 6. If you need to transfer other tables, please contact me and I'll help you through the process. Save the exported files anywhere on your computer. Just make sure you can find them later. Now open your new SimTracker2.0 version. Import the three SimPE tables as you normally would. This step is fast-forwarded since it is explained in a separate tutorial. The tables should now be imported and synchronized one by one. Once all three SimPE tables have been imported and synchronized, go back to Restore Tables. Select all the files you exported earlier from your previous SimTracker2.0 version. Now import these files. If there's any pop-up, always click Yes. Your data should be fine. Though I recommend to keep your old SimTracker2.0 version or the exported Excel tables as a backup. After restoring the exported tables, run sync for all three imported SimPE tables one final time. This updates all links between your SimPE data and your stored SimTracker2.0 data. Your data transfer is now complete, and you're ready to continue using the new version of SimTracker2.0. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'm SimStewardy. Keep simming, and I'll see you in the next video.